about the step number 4, social media optimization. So far in the first 3 steps, I have told you that you got to do only limited submissions, 50 submissions, 30 submissions, whatsoever. But from here on, step number 4, 5, 6, 7, there is no limit on the work. You got to continuously do it till the web page comes to the desired position. Once you have got the satisfactory rank, then for the next keyword you got to do. So there are n number of keywords that you can target. So serially or in phases, once you achieve the top rank, you'll be going with the next set of keywords. So this is a never ending process. The more and more visitors flow you want to your site, you have to continuously do step number 4 to 7. 1, 2, 3 is only like a formality sake. Doesn't mean that there is no power in the backlinks. There is. But the backlinks what you are going to get from here on are going to have much better power compared to the previous ones. But as I told you before, we require backlinks of various types from all the category of the websites to make it look natural, so that we sustain on the top rank for a very long time. Search engines get impressed with those pages where the SEO looks natural. So maybe your focus can be the last 3-4 steps, but you got to get the backlink from various other steps also. Could be diluted, but you got to get it. Alright. So step number 4, social media optimization. There are 2 types of sites, social networking and social bookmarking. Both these together is called a social media website. So within this social media optimization, we have got social networking and then social bookmarking. In India, only social networking sites are popular. The best example is Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. LinkedIn has got properties of both bookmarking and networking. So social networking sites are Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn. Likewise, there are so many, but these are the ones which are very popular. While in bookmarking, you'll find 70-80 websites which are very popular globally. You must have heard about Pinterest, Pinterest.com, StumbleUpon.com, Reddit. So if you are into the stock market, you must have seen or read that through Reddit, a big hedge fund was badly trapped with the stock GameStop. So Reddit, then you have got Whitelinks, SiteJot, you have got Flipboard, you have got Dig, Delicious. There are so many these sites are there, may not have heard about them before, but in European and American countries, they are very, very popular. Because we are aiming for the backlinks from the quality websites. So being in India, you may not be using these sites regularly, but at least for the backlinks purpose, you got to start using them. How to develop backlink we'll be seeing, but these are the sites very important from SEO perspective. But what's the difference between a networking and bookmarking? A networking site, both these sites are meant to share information in group. That's why they are called as social. The sites are meant in order to share information in a group. In social networking site, you can share links, images, video, but in bookmarking, only the reads, only the links can be shared. Generally what we have an habit is, if we like any article, in abroad most of the people hobby is reading. In India it is few, but whoever has got a habit of reading, at least in India, if they like any content, web page, I am talking about online, they copy that web page URL and they store it in Notepad or Excel sheet, whatever. But that's not the professional way to do it. You do not have time. You are reading a beautiful article. You want to save that article for your future reference. So either you will store that in the WhatsApp, or you will just ping this URL to your close friend, so that next time when you go, you can refer it. Or you may store it in the Gmail as a draft. But in abroad, those people who have well aware of the bookmarking sites, they just open a account in a bookmarking site. Some sites I can show here, like say Pinterest, pinning whatever you feel is interested. That is how it is, Pinterest. Then Dig, Delicious, Stumble Upon, Reddit. There's so many. Bookmarking sites are meant to store the URLs. Now these URLs may be stored in order for your own reference, or maybe you want this article that your friends also read it. So in a group you are sharing only the URLs. Like say, what is the specialty of Instagram? Only images are shared. Images, video and all that. Like Twitter is meant to get followers. So those all big celebrities and all who do not have the time to write some hundreds of words. So it's a micro blogging. Just 2-3 lines of powerful message they'll write it, and all their followers will be able to read. Here you can share all in one, image, video, audio, whatever. So like how Instagram is there for the images, likewise for social bookmarking, we have the links. Now here our purpose may not be to share the links with our friends, but the purpose here in terms of SEO is to acquire quality backlink. Whether you like any read or not, you are saving that URL because you want a backlink. Backlink from both these type of websites have got huge value in SEO. Why? Because of the 5 powerful advantages offered by SMO. SMO has got 5 powerful advantages. Advantage 1. Most of these websites have got high page rank and a very good Alexa rank. Let me show you the list of the sites. Like this kind of list you will not find in any other step. You won't find so many high page rank websites in any other step in off page, and this kind of Alexa rank. So these are some of the most popular websites in the web world globally. But of course, we are not going to get the backlink from their home page. It will be internal page, but because of that 15% influence power to the internal page, it still makes sense to get a backlink. The backlink is still powerful. So these are the sites where the Alexa rank is good. At the same time, the page rank is very high. That's why the link is powerful. Point number 1. Point number 2. No question of link exchange or paid backlinks in any of the website. All of them offer you unconditional free submission. So no paid links, no reciprocal linking, no admin review to check the link. Unconditional backlinks is a possibility here almost in all the sites. That's the second advantage. Third advantage. These are the sites who have very high frequency rate of indexing. In the earlier steps I told you, whatever the off-page work that you are doing so far, step number 1, 2, 3, only after few weeks you will be able to see the impact in the rank. But SMO impact is seen early. Within 8 to 10 days you can see the impact in the rank when you get a backlink from these sites. Why so? Because search engines can take the backlinks from these sites pretty fast. When your links are present here, search engines can find it out very fast. That's why the impact in the ranking can be seen early. That's the advantage number 3. Advantage number 4. Along with quality backlinks, these sites can help you to get huge referred traffic. When I place my link into Facebook, in Twitter, a lot of people are going to read that. In that, some of the people will click on that link and visit my website. So this is some extra bonus visitors that I'm getting apart from the quality backlink, which will anyway push my page in the top rank in the search engine. But the secondary advantage is that I'm getting some quality backlinks, quality traffic, targeted traffic. We are going to place the links only in the pages where people have already shown interest in our topic. So relevant, page relevant content or group relevant to our page, that is where our links are being placed. So the chances of people seeing that and clicking and then visiting our site is pretty high. It will help you to build a brand, to create an awareness among the crowd. In the same website, the last advantage, fifth advantage, in the same website you can do multiple submissions even in the single day. So far I told you that repeat the list of the sites per website, per URL, but don't do multiple submissions in the same day. Here I will say that up to 5 submissions per website can be done same day from the same system, from the same account. So within Facebook, I can submit 5 backlinks for my same web page. For my same URL, I can do 5 submissions in Facebook, 5 submissions in Twitter, 5 submissions in LinkedIn. So you can do multiple submissions from the same account, from the same system, the same day. However, I still tell you to have a restriction of 5 submissions. Even 10 is not an issue, but how much else you have, that much better. From the same IP address, when you are getting lot of submissions, there is a little danger of the social website marking your account as spam. And once it is in spam, then all whatever that you have posted gets deleted and your account itself is totally banned. So that's the reason why maintain a limit of only 5 submissions per IP address, per account, per website. So we'll see practically how to do that. So because of these advantages, this is must. So here, how many submissions you have to do? On an average, 50 SMO submissions per day has to be done. 50. The process of submission is almost the same everywhere. Register, log in, find out the relevant page or group, there add your link. Let us do it. We'll start with Twitter. Now I want to get a backlink for stock market training, which is one of the internal page in my website. Whenever someone is searching for stock market training, I want this page to be coming on the top, for which I require to do backlinks. So I copy this URL and firstly I'll begin with Twitter. If I want, I can get the backlink right here itself. Let's say that stock market training from basics. Tweet. I got a backlink instantly, there's no admin to check that. But from which page have I got that backlink? From this page. This is a page from where I have acquired a link. As twitter.com/SEO is Sanjay. Sooner search engines are going to visit this page and they are going to read the link, and that is where they are going to assign the points to me. The link would have been more powerful the same link would have been more powerful had it come from a page which is relevant to stock market training or stock market India. So there's no point in getting a backlink from your own wall, from your own account. Rather, you got to go into others' account, and from there you need to acquire the link. The accounts or the pages or the groups which are relevant to your keyword. If you search in this box, you'll find lot of such accounts. See, so many accounts are there on Stock Market India. One by one you need to open each of them. Per day maximum 5. Can't open a new tab, so let us open like this. Stock Market Tips India. From this page, if I want a link, I need to post a comment like this. You got to create such a message where the tendency of a person to approve it is very high. So you got to use some appreciating words. You should not make that comment look like you have come here only for a backlink. You have come here only for marketing your web page. So add some value to them, and along with that you can place the link. So have some 1-2 lines of content, some meaningful message, and then along with it place a link. Don't copy paste the same thing into the second account. This is what is important. In order to prevent your account going to spam, make sure that every comment that you are posting, you change the words here and there. Have yet meaningful and interesting content. Now my backlink is approved. Where can we see that? Here. This time the backlink what I got is from a page twitter.com/invest-with-smti/abcxyz. You can check the link. There's no admin to review it. It is 100% auto approved backlink. Now this page is totally based upon stock market, which the search engines are going to read. What is the main theme of this page? This is a H1. So even while searched into Google, this page has come on the top. That means this page core topic is Stock Market Tips India, which is very much relevant to my destination page content. So search engines are going to value this link pretty high. There are thousands of followers who are coming to this account to see what and all he has posted. Maybe some of them will be able to see the link that I have posted, and in that some of them will be able to visit my website. That is a secondary benefit I get. Your backlink is present here, that is sufficient from the search engine perspective. They are not going to see how many people are clicking this link. If people click, then I get a bonus visitor. But I am doing this so that search engines read the link and then they assign me the points in off page. I told you wherever the backlinks are approved, you better copy that URL and place it into the notepad. Because later I am going to tell you what you have to do with it. So let's say the backlink from where I got is this page. By the end of the session, I'll tell you what should be done to the backlink pages. Let's do more submissions. There's no new tab option here, so one by one we'll do it. So here there are 64,000 plus followers. Some of them will surely visit your site. In fact, if you go into Google Analytics, there you can see even the source of traffic. So today the SMO what you are doing, check tomorrow, day after, you should have got lot of visitors. Let us do submission here as well. Not this page, my page. Whether your page has got HTTPS, that will be shown up in the browser. Always copy paste from the browser. That's it. So I've got another backlink which is placed here. A lot of people are commenting, so it's an active page. The latest post will be shown at the top, latest comments. So this time the backlink what I got is from a page twitter.com/indiashares, which is totally based upon my keyword. Let us do one more submission. $3,400 followers. Another backlink approved. This time the backlink is from a page twitter.com/IndianStockM, which is again totally based on my keyword. Let's do one last submission. $516 followers, maybe less number, but we are here for the purpose of backlink rather than just visitors. So it's better that we place a link here. Then we go to the page where there is content relevant to Indian market. Reply. So like this, when I am continuously doing it, up to 5 is not a problem, but if you are placing the same link again and again, in the back end Twitter is monitoring your account, and when he sees that the same link is being posted aggressively on a daily basis, then he may mark your account as spam. But up to 5 submissions, no problem at all. So per day 5 submissions per account. But if you have taken any project where they require thousands of backlink, then what is the solution for it? The solution is you got to have multiple internet connections. dynamic IP changing connections. So you got to have multiple systems and multiple employees who is doing this job. Everybody will be logging using their own account but from a different IP address, and they'll be targeting different set of pages groups. There are so many pages of Indian stock market. If you scroll down, even if all the pages are over, you yourself can open dummy accounts in Twitter. In the username, mention the keyword. That will itself will create a competitor page. So 5 is limit per day per system. But if you have multiple internet connections, dynamic IP addresses internet connection, you have got multiple employees, you give the system to them, then 5 into the number of system, that many submissions also you can do per day on daily basis. So there is no limit on SMO. My limit is per account basis, per net connection basis, that is nothing but IP address. Because when the links are coming from different accounts, from different locations, from different ISP, internet service providers, Twitter will start getting a feeling as though this site seems to be very popular. This site may be in trending, and so is the search engines. When the search engines discover that lot of links are coming from Twitter for SEO Sanjay, it starts getting a feel as though this page is very good for stock market training, stock market India and all that. So that will be treated as a competitor link. Such kind of links will have a huge role in getting your pages on the top. Now let's do for Facebook. I'll show for Facebook same thing you can do for LinkedIn. Mainly in LinkedIn you have educational topics. So rather than getting a backlink from my own wall, I need to go to the pages targeting my topic. So on Stock Market India there are posts, people, photos, videos. I want pages and groups. This page is created by me. 602 people have liked it. This is my page. This is my website, my web page. So here you have an option to create a page. These are all the pages on stock market. Okay, you too can create a page there. So one by one you need to go to each of them. Not more than 5 submissions per IP address. So if you want to create a page like this, you can. Okay, so create the page on your topic, on your keyword. From there itself you can get a backlink like this, like how this guy has done. Whatever the name of the page you give, that will directly go into the URL, and that will be treated as a competitor link. Search engines are not going to see who has created that page. So these are all smart people. This is what is SEO. He has created an account not with his name but with the keyword, and in that he has placed the backlink for his web page. This is a referral URL to make some commission. Here also he is putting it. So we can also add our listing here. This thing will come automatically from your page. It will take the images, it will take the title, description, post. This is where you can see the post. Now this backlink is coming from which page? facebook.com/stockmarketindia. You can even check the link, okay, leading to my page. So I've got one more backlink. There's no admin to review it. Some pages do have admin, but Facebook as such is not going to check that, and most of the pages have automatic approval. Now that I've already placed my link, there's no point in getting one more link, because I told you when the source page, destination page and the keyword is same, though you place it 1000 times also, you are going to get the same path. So you can get it from their wall, also you can get it through comments. We'll do one backlink through comment as well. Let's target another link. So this again is a page which is based on my topic. So this is what is a competitor link. The page content has to match with your page content. That's the definition of a competitor link in SEO language. Post. Link has been posted. Here it is. So this time the backlink what I got is from a page, Stock Market Traders Investors. This page is again based on my keyword, and this is where the link is. See here, this is a no follow link. Observe here, it's there only for a fraction of a second. Some Facebook URL will be there, from there my page is opening up. Just read the address which comes here, it will be there only for half a second. See here, some www.facebook.com, from there my page is opening up. Maybe at your system you can check it. It's there for a very short duration. Such kind of links are no follow. But I've told you, search engine plus no follow is only a link which is considered as zero value. But these are social website, these no follow links will also be counted for ranking on top. So don't get confused with the general no follow links and the search engine no follow links. So search engine results are only no follow, which is zero value, otherwise they have value. Let us get backlink from here as well. Post. Last one more. Okay, now this page is a locked page. Locked page in the sense there is no option for us to get the backlink. So what you can do in such a case, that is in the control of admin, whether he wants to have a public postings or only private. But you can still get a backlink through comments. I told you either in the wall or in the comment you can place the links. You need not write visit here, join, admission and all that. Have some meaningful message, attach your link. That's it. Okay, so this backlink is through comments. So you have got a backlink from a page, facebook.com/stockmarketindia, relevant to our page content. Whether the link is at the top or small or big letter, doesn't matter. The page topic is important for us. So like this, 5 backlinks even from Facebook also you can get it, 5 from Twitter, 5 from Facebook per IP address per day. Now let's see bookmarking site. In bookmarking site, you can submit a URL only once. Once that you have added a URL in the bookmarking site, he will not allow you to add the same URL again. You will have to open another account. So there's a famous site like whitelinks.com. You have dig.com. I'm going to some sites where I remember my account. Site jot. These are all the submissions which I have done before. I want to add a new page. So what I do? Firstly, register and log in. I'm already registered and logged in. Add links, the URL, the page for which you want a backlink, description, add link. Stock market training in Hyderabad is created. So I already got a backlink from Whitelinks. It's there, some maybe at the bottom. Here. So this is where I got a backlink just now. So there's no admin to review it, immediately approval, and it's a strong do follow backlink. Likewise, let's say I want a backlink from dig. So register, login is must. Now that I am logged in, I do not know where the link has to be submitted. This is interesting. Okay, here I have. In some sites you will not be able to find so easily. What's the solution to it? I'll get back to that. But right now it is straightforward. So click on submit. Is asking for the category, never asked before. Let me search here if you have stock market. I'm looking at the appropriate category. For example, this one. We don't have any such category as stock market. Anyway, let's submit here. This is the page for which I want a link. Title my keyword. In case you have got image, better use it. Then click on submit. Thanks for taking time to submit a link. Or editors will get on it ASAP. Hardly takes few minutes, and in case they reject it or approve it, you will be notified through email. SiteJot will ask you to log in. Don't remember this. Okay. So I've already added stock market tips, but I want to add stock market training. Add site. Address means web page address. Add. Site added successfully. Like this, you need to submit in each of the social bookmarking site. There are thousands, but only selected 70-80 sites is what I have provided in the Excel sheet. These are the sites that you need to follow. Now, instead of directly going into the website, there is another thing that you can do. Remember, in the on page, I have told you about the social buttons. I think step number 12. Let us go back to Blogger and see where those buttons are. Like this. So let's say we'll take one post, this one itself. Instead of directly visiting the social website, you can even do this one. Let's say I want a backlink from Pinterest. I click on Pinterest. It will directly lead you to the submission page if you are logged in. Save. It will tell you to log in. Because I told you in some sites like Flickr, it is very difficult to find out where the link has to be submitted. So if you are going through the social buttons, it will directly lead you to the submission page. You don't have to find out where the submission option is. So this is where the link is approved. Okay, so we got one backlink from Pinterest. Then let's take more sites, same page. Tumblr. Still need to change the password. We'll go other side. Flipboard. In each of these side you got to submit it. Okay, already added in Flipboard. So just only you got to submit, the URL will enter automatically. SiteJot already done. Sing. Share. Okay, so this is the way that you need to do it. Now the biggest advantage of having these buttons is, okay, this is where we got a link. The biggest advantage of having these buttons is the public is going to share the backlinks for us. Why would anyone share it? When you are getting a lot of visitors to your website, if someone is liking the matter that you have posted, not like this, but some meaningful matter you have posted there, and someone wants to share it, he has got two options. What he would do, he would directly copy the matter like this, Control C, Control V, who bothers? And he will share it into Facebook, Twitter, wherever he wants with his friends, because he has liked it. The other way is like this buttons. Wherever he has got an account, he'll just click on that. Let's say he has got an account in Facebook, Twitter, and the matter will go along with the URL. So we want people to share through these buttons, not directly copying and placing the matter like that. But 90% people will copy the matter. Why would they click on the share buttons? But if I disable the option of copying, if I have the copy protection for my website, then definitely this will make a lot of sense to me. Then the person will not have any choice but to share. Like remember optical illusion, Jesus Christ optical illusion. I told you that when you place these kind of buttons, then there is a heavy chance that through SMO your site will become easily popular. But we should not be giving any option for the users to copy that image or download the image by doing right click. We have to disable all those options. So basically we have to enable copy protection. Then this thing is going to bring lot of benefits to you. A time will come where automatically SMO will be done by the public. You don't have to do it at all. But for that, copy protection is must. So let us see how do we do copy protection for each page of our website, both for Blogger as well as for WordPress. For general website, you have to code it in JavaScript. You need to create such kind of JavaScript code where the text selection itself is disabled. The right click is disabled. Like that kind of code can be written in JavaScript. So those who are web designer, those who know how to create the themes, web pages, they probably know it. But this is an added functionality which you need to inform them. Please disable text selection. Please disable copying of the matter inside your pages for all the pages of your site. One function they'll create, and this function they'll call everywhere, and your all the pages are copy protected if it's a general site. But for Blogger, there is a special URL which is there in my folder. Copy protect your Blogger. Either you can visit this URL, there is one piece of code even there. Otherwise, the code which I have given, copy this, several lines of code, copied, and then I go to layout. Under layout, I go to add a gadget. Anywhere you can take a gadget, doesn't matter. Let me take it here. So this is a HTML JavaScript gadget. Remember, any code that we are getting outside Blogger, it is always HTML JavaScript gadget that you need to use. Without giving any title, you can dump the code in this box. The code is placed, need not give any title, not required, save. This code will only run in the backend. Now I am refreshing my site. I want to select the matter, I am not able to do it. Forget copying, I am not even able to select the matter. I am trying to do right click, left click, nothing is working. Any page you can check. This is one time code, and all the pages will be copy protected with it. Nothing you can copy, even a letter. The entire website is now copy protected. Now when a user wants to share the matter, whether it is an image, video, or some 5 lines, 10 lines, 20 lines of matter, because he cannot copy it, the only option left for him is to share. Everywhere that is sharing, we are getting the benefit of the SMO link. The biggest advantage is that then even 1000 people are sharing into their 1000 accounts, no problem, because these are all happening from different IP address. Over a period of time, when your site is already getting a lot of visitors, then SMO is run on autopilot. Every day hundreds of backlinks you are going to get automatically from different IP address without any danger of spam. But initially for a push you got to do it manually. Later when it is becomes cycle, because of the links your ranking is maintained on the top, visitors again sharing. So till this cycle runs you got to give it a push. Let's see for WordPress, how do we enable copy protection. So I go into my WordPress site, log in into the backend. There are several plugins in order to disable text selection, in order to disable the right click. But of all, this is the best plugin, WP Copy Protect. Let us search for this plugin. So I go to plugins, add new plugin. There are several plugins, but this is the most famous plugin. Click on install. Click on activate. Now when I go to any post, let's open the site. You got to first do the settings. So we get the plugin name here, click on it. Do not disable right click. By default this is the option, but if you want to disable you can select disable right click and show a message. Disable text selection, yes. Exclude admin users means when I am logged in this will work. Text selection will work, copying will also work. But if I select for all the users, for everybody the setting is common. So they will not be able to select the text, and while that they are, let me refresh it. While that they are trying to copy, they get a message as please don't copy. So when you have the social button, then this will make a lot of sense. This is the internal page. I try to copy, I am not able to select the text at all, and while I do right click, please don't copy the message I get. So this is a one-time setting that you need to do to protect your entire website, all the pages. So once only you have done this, then you will get the real benefits of the social buttons which you have placed in your website. So my site lifecourse99.com had got 1300 shares for Diwali, some 800 shares for Dashera. That's the kind of numbers I got within a span of 1 year, with hardly 100-150 visitors a day. But because of those links, my ranking easily sustained on the top. So these links will be like every day, the new links will get created at least from this step. So you don't have to do this step number 4 forever. You have to do it till the public is developing backlinks to you. And that stage will come when you yourself have first started developing links from all the 7 methods, targeted the right keyword, pages on the top, you are getting good traffic. Then when you see that at least 100-150 visitors you are getting per day, you can stop step number 4, only continue with 5, 6, 7. Step number 4 need not do it, public is going to do it for you. That's all for today. So tomorrow we are going to begin with the most important step, that is blog commenting. I told you that 70-80% of the backlinks that I develop for my own web pages is from the step number 5. You would also do the same thing once you know the power of this step by tomorrow's class. So for any kind of questions or doubts, please use the audio control.